So, you want to be a millionaire? But you're stuck, trapped, trying to balance studying and making money. You're probably on a tight budget, cramming for exams, living off instant noodles, and wondering, was college even the right decision? And I hate to say it, but you might be right to wonder. A study showed 23% of bachelor's degrees have a negative return on investment. Even crazier, 41% of graduates are working jobs that don't even need a degree. So, what's the solution? Well, most millionaires don't rely on just one income. 65% have at least 3, 45% have 4, and 29% have 5 or more. The problem? Most income streams aren't exactly student-friendly. You can't just start a business from your dorm room. That's why I've put together 7 powerful income ideas. Ones you can start today, packed into my trusty toolkit, so let's dive right in. Number 1, TikTok Shop. This is booming. It's the perfect way for students to make money. 0 startup cost, no equipment needed, just your phone and maybe a ring light. Like this one, I grabbed it for under $20. When I was younger, my mom used to shop from catalogs, then QVC, and now TikTok Shop is the next level. It's faster, interactive, and the opportunity is massive. Don't just take my word for it, let's talk numbers. Last year, TikTok Shop made $11.09 billion in gross sales. And by the end of this year, they're projected to hit $17.50 billion. So, how much can you make? It depends on the products in your store. Some items explode with impulse buyers. Beauty personal care products sell the most. If you pick a winning product, you could make hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month. And if you land on a viral trend, the sky's the limit. Time investment? If you're aiming high, spend 3 hours a night on it. But if you just want an extra $100 a month, an hour a day works fine. And I know some of you are thinking, but I'm in a tough course. I don't have 3 hours a night. No worries. TikTok Shop has an affiliate program. Other people can sell your products for you. You don't need Kylie Jenner. Micro-influencers can do the job. They promote, you profit. Getting started? Download TikTok Seller Center, upload your products, set prices, and submit for approval. Easy. Number 2, dropshipping. A classic student hustle. No inventory, no shipping. You set up a store. Pick products. The supplier ships for you. How much can you make? Profit margins 20-30%. Sell 100 items at $50 with a 25% margin. That's $1,250 profit per month. Time investment? Setting up? Quick if you use Build Your Store. Number 3, language dubbing. Ever thought about making money just by using your voice? Well, this is it. Language dubbing is a goldmine. Businesses and creators need people to translate their content into different languages. And they'll pay big for it. And guess what? I'm doing it right now. We're dubbing my YouTube videos into Portuguese, Spanish, Hindi, and Japanese. Companies, influencers, and even movie studios are searching for people like you, whether it's as a voice actor or someone who can manage the dubbing process. How much can you make? If you're working as a voice actor, the average hourly rate in the US is $48.17. But wait, it gets better. If you start offering dubbing services, connecting voice actors to businesses, your income potential skyrockets. You can charge a flat fee or even take a cut of the project's budget. Time commitment? If you're new to voice acting, you might need a few hours a week practicing or taking voice training. If you're managing a dubbing service, you'll need time to network with businesses, hire voice actors, and manage projects. Getting started? Jump on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. Upload your voice samples and focus on high-demand languages like Hindi, Portuguese, Spanish, and Japanese. This is one of the easiest ways to turn your voice into money. So, what are you waiting for? Number 4, focus groups. Believe it or not, companies will pay you just for your opinions. Your feedback helps them improve their products, and they reward you for it. Some focus groups pay up to $250 an hour. And guess what? You can do them from bed. Imagine lying under your duvet, chilling, and making bank. So how much can you make? It depends on who you are. The rarer your demographic, the higher your pay. Example, companies want insights from people over 6'4". That's not common. So if you fit the bill, they'll pay more for your time. But if it's just a study on, I don't know, people who love chicken wings, you won't make as much. Time investment? Focus groups are quick, usually 30 minutes to 2 hours. Getting started? Use trusted sites like Respondent, User Interviews, and focusgroup.com. And remember, never pay to join a focus group. If it seems shady, it probably is. Number 5, sell your stuff. Look around, you have money sitting in your room. Old clothes, textbooks, random gadgets, sell them. Example, a textbook still in demand? You can make 50% of its retail price. Time investment? Listing items on Vinted or eBay takes minutes. Posting them? Even easier now with drop-off lockers. Getting started? Pick a platform, take clear photos, and set competitive prices. Number 6, modernizing boring businesses. You know those super boring businesses? Laundromats, car washes, storage units? They're quietly making bank, and most are run by older folks who haven't updated a thing. That's where you come in. With a few modern upgrades like online booking, better payment systems, you can skyrocket their profits and take a cut. A laundromat can make $300K a year. A car wash? Up to $900K. Example, use a tool like Odoo to automate their billing booking. Suddenly, their business runs smoother, faster, more profitably. How do you profit? Do a profit split. If your work adds $50K to their revenue and you get 20%, you just made $10,000. Time investment? Setting up their system takes a few hours to a couple days. After that, maybe 1-2 hours a week just to check in. Getting started? Find a business that's outdated and pitch them your upgrade plan. Number 7, a part-time job, but smarter. I hate when people look down on part-time jobs. Oh, you work at McDonald's? Yeah, and? My mate Daniel Priestley worked at McDonald's, and now he's a multimillionaire. These jobs teach you skills, resilience, responsibility, real-world experience. If you pick a strategic part-time job, like tutoring, freelancing, or high-ticket sales, you can earn way more than flipping burgers. Time investment? Depends. A fast food job might pay $12/hour. But tutoring? $30+. Getting started? Build a killer resume and go in person to apply. And please, keep it clean. No Friday night party pics with a beer in one hand and a vape in the other. There you go. 7 powerful ways to start making money right now. Which one will you start with? Drop a comment, I want to know. And if you found this valuable, subscribe. More content coming your way.
Join my Telegram channel, link in the description, where you'll get exclusive editing materials and insider info on the best AI tools, absolutely free. Need a personal guide on any topic?